are the LED style overlays from Graphics Expressions. Essentially they cover up part of the clear crystal part that was here so that it gives you a nice aggressive sort of look. So one thing I really like about these taillight overlays is the points of the overlays go along with the lines of the cars. So as you can see, this point here goes along with this line of the car. This point here goes along with the sort of the line of the trunk there. You see that? So it really looks sort of factory. It almost looks like a different version of the stock taillight. It's a little tricky getting the fitment just right on these overlays. But like I said, if you get the points to kind of go along with the lines of the car, then it looks real nice. And try to get them both even. So a couple of tips with these overlays. You definitely want to have a clean surface. So you want to clean the taillight area really well, let it dry, then use the easy application spray. Spray it on there, spray it on the back side or on the sticky side of the overlay, and then get the overlay just right. Take your time. Like I said, it takes a little while to line up, make both sides even, and once you get one side, you know, you can kind of match the other side as long as you get it the way you want it. And yeah, take your time, and then once you get it just right, hold it real tight and then squeegee out the rest of the water with a microfiber cloth, and all the water underneath will come out. And then yeah, once you leave it out in the sun a little bit, it'll dry real nice and look like it came like that from the factory. So really recommend it.